Now I'm going to explain the project Inverted Linear Quadry Efficient Top K Spatial Keyword Search. The main objective of the project is to develop an efficient top K spatial keyword search algorithm. The combination of the spatial index and the textual index such that a large number of non-pruning objects can be efficiently eliminated from the candidate set based on both the spatial proximity and keyword constraint. In the existing system, the performance of the spatial keyword query is poor if objects are separately organized by textual index and spatial index. Therefore, the main challenge is how to efficiently combine the spatial index and textual index such that the large number of non-promising objects can be effectively eliminated from the candidate set based on both the spatial proximity and keyword constraint. In the proposed system, we propose the inverted linear quadry indexing technique, which naturally combines the spatial and textual features of the objects. Specifically for each keyword, we built a linear quadry for the related objects so that the objects which do not contain any query keywords can be immediately excluded from the computation. The main advantages of the proposed system is based on IL quadry, we develop an efficient top K spatial keyword search algorithm. This is the structure of linear quadry. In this, if the user is searching for some term, the searching process will be takes place from the root node. But in the case of inverted linear tree, directly it will search from the center. Means already we have defined the index system that contains the centers. Directly based on the location of the user, directly it will search from the center. This is the implemented structure of inverted linear quadry. When the user is searching for some term based on the query, it will search from the center, where if the term is available, then it will give the respective places. The software requirements of these projects are the Eclipse as an IDE. IDE is the integrated development environment which gives the standard directory structure to develop the applications. And in this project we are using the MySQL as the database and this SQLiOC as the interface for the MySQL, and we are using the Tomcat as the local server. This project is developed based on the MVC architecture. MVC means Model View Controller. Model View Controller is the software design pattern for developing web application. Model is the lowest level of the pattern which is responsible for maintaining the data. View is responsible for designing all the portion of the data. Controller is the software code that controls the interaction between the model and the view. Because of this model view controller architecture, we can able to host this application in the real cloud. Then start the Tomcat server. Tomcat server is still starting. Tomcat server has been started. Localhost is the local system IP address, means the client system IP address. 8080 is the port number of the Tomcat. These are the list of the deployed projects. This is the page of the index page of inverted linear quadry efficient top K spatial keyword search. Here there are two things are there: admin and the user. Admin has to log into his account. admin logged in successfully. Admin can able to add the terms means the example pizza, coffee, shopping, etc. These are the directions. There are 8 directions are there: northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest, north, south, east, west. Places, these are the places. Firstly, the admin has to add the centers. This is the latitude and the longitude of this place, Koramangala. Now center added successfully. Koramangala second phase, its parent is Koramangala, and these are the latitude and the longitude. Two centers added successfully. The admin can able to edit or delete the existing centers. These are the already existing places. You can able to add the new place. Bistro is the place which is located in the Koramangala. Now the admin has to do the quadry process. Quadry process successful. Now in the quadry process, it will calculate the centers for the respective places. Here it is calculated that 10 is the center code for this place, Bistro. Let us see the center code 10. 10 Koramangala is the center for the place Bistro. And the direction from the this place to the center is 23. It's the code of the direction west. Towards west it will present. Then user login. User has to log in with his texture username and password. After successful login, user has to give his location. He'll give the place Koramangala. This is the latitude and the longitude of Koramangala. Now he is searching for the term. Now it will give the black pearl, which is 1.3 kilometers from his place, which is towards northwest. And bistro is the place where the distance between him and his place is 1.12 kilometers, which is towards east. These are the list of available places where the coffee is available. Now for the cinema, it will display the places in the ascending order with respect to the distance and the direction from him. This is inverted linear quadry. In the background process, directly it will search from the center and it will towards a place. It will go towards the place. It will search towards the place. Thank you. Have a good day.